For today's vlog, we will be discussing how to propagate and care for Graptoveria Lovely Rose.
Hello guys!
Welcome to the vlogs of AJ Verdida!
Graptoveria are hybrid crosses between Graptopetalum and Echeveria. Due to this mixed parentage, they form a diverse genus, but most are low-growing. They are cultivated for their beautiful shapes and colors. It is a small growing succulent which forms beautiful compact rose-shaped heads. It's a rare Korean succulent that resembles a rose with long stalk and petals in the shape of a rose. After buying your succulents, your goal is to know how to take care of them and how to multiply them. And there are two ways how I propagate them. Number 1, use leaf propagation, and number 2, top cut or beheading. When doing leaf propagation, always start from the bottom of the succulent, choosing mature leaves. Just leave it on a dry soil or surface and they will eventually grow and form roots. In order to keep them growing, repot them in their individual pots. In this succulent, I've used black soil, loam soil, and compost. You may need to test what works well in your particular climate. It needs a warm, sunny position with well-drained soil to develop their foliage color. It is recommended to position plants in an area where they are partly shaded. This means that they should be in morning sun or afternoon sun, or both, but shaded during the harsh midday. Alternatively, they can be grown under full filtered sun or greenhouse to prevent sunburn. Watering is very crucial for these succulents. If the surface is dry, it's time to water them. During this rainy season, it's very important to inspect the soil for slugs or any presence of snails around them. Slugs tend to hide in the soil, so better keep an eye on them. Aside from manual removal of the slugs and snails, I've also tried applying diatomaceous earth on the surface of the soil. I've also changed their spot to a drier area to get rid of attacks. By adding lava rock, it also promotes good drainage for these succulents. For an added extra care to this lovely rose, you can apply Osmocote, which is a slow-release fertilizers that releases nutrients slowly over time to deliver an ongoing supply of nutrients to your plants. After how many months of propagating them, you'll enjoy seeing their beauty. As I end this video, I would like to share this word from the Lord. Psalms 90 verse 12. Teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. God's wisdom is always the best in everything that we do, and whatever we plant, we will succeed. If you have comments and suggestions, please feel free to comment down below.
I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to
Like, share,
subscribe. Thank you for watching.